morning, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is Color Series Tablescape for September. It is hosted by Maryland's Cozy Lifestyle co-host Glam Queen of Decor and Ellie's Place. It's hashtag white and gold 22. We are asked to use white and gold for our tablescapes. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape, white and gold 22. And as you can see, I have went in and mixed the metals again. We were told we could use a third color, and I went with the silver. Do not forget to go over and check out the ladies' channel today and look at their color series tablescape. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this tablescape video. And if you're not a part of the family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to ring that bell and come along and be a part of our family. Okay, my centerpiece here, my pumpkins are from Kroger's. The candle holders are from Goodwill. The vase here is from Burlington's, and I've just put a large flower in it. The carousel is from Home Goods. My large bowl here is from Home Goods, and I just decorated it with the flowers. And I have the same on this side. My placemats are from Home Goods. My glasses here, Home Goods. My charger plates are from Home Goods, and my plates are from Goodwill. I think I bought those two from Goodwill. My napkins are from Home Goods, and the napkin rings are from Home Goods. I want to thank the ladies again for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. Make sure you go over and check out their channels. This is Emma. You have a blessed day, and I will be seeing you in my next video.